Okay, today we are talking about how to wire a doorbell. You can buy these doorbell kits at Lowe's, Home Depot, or online. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for any vendor or product you see on this video. Currently, at the time of this recording, this doorbell kit you can buy for $25 on Amazon.com. You see it comes with the chime, two different style push buttons. Comes with two buttons because you can install a backdoor push button. So you can have one push button at your front door, one at your back door, etc. Also comes with the step-down transformer and an instruction booklet.
Wow.
So let's wire the transformer. And if you're troubleshooting your doorbell, the first thing to do is check for power. And this is a non-contact voltage tester. So you can see we don't have power anywhere. And if you're going to install a new doorbell chime, make sure you turn the power off first. Always. So the way these work, 120 volts comes into the transformer. The transformer steps it down to 16 volts. And it doesn't matter which screw terminal you hook your wires up to on this transformer because it's not polarity sensitive. So I'm hooking up that first red wire on that first terminal, and then the second red wire on the second terminal. Just keep track of where your wires go. So the one red wire comes in, goes to the transformer terminal at the chime. So we'll tighten that one down. So there, we made that one complete connection. Now this white wire will connect to the front terminal, which means front doorbell, and you can always reference that wiring schematic there. And always make the loops on your wires bent in the direction you're going to tighten the screws. So now if we follow that white wire out of the chime, comes out of the chime to that wire nut and to this new connection here. That's where our doorbell button will connect. Here too, you can hook it up to either terminal. It's not polarity sensitive, it doesn't matter. Again, don't over tighten these screws because everything's plastic construction. And this particular doorbell push button will light up when the power is turned on. Then we'll attach our other wire. Remember that white wire is coming from the front terminal on the chime. So now we have a complete circuit, and the push button completes the circuit when you push the button. When the button is not pushed, it opens the circuit. So let's turn on the power. Just get this situated. So again, power comes into the chime, comes out of that white wire to the push button. When you push the push button, power will go through that other red wire to complete the circuit back at the other terminal on the transformer. So you see the push button lit up, so we know we have power. But we'll double check for safety, or if you do not have a push button that lights up, There you go. You can see our hot wire is hot. Non-contact voltage tester verifies. You can see it's flashing, telling me, hey, you do have power here. And it'll beep too if you have one that beeps. So we verified the power is on. So do not touch these terminals when the power is on. Or if you don't have a non-contact voltage tester, you can use a multimeter like this. This one's a Klein. Turn it to volts AC. Take your leads. Touch one to each of the screw terminals on the output side of your transformer. And yeah, you can see we've got 22 volts AC. So we're good. And that's working properly. So we're good to go.
Woo!
And again, here's a close-up view of that wiring schematic that's up inside the chime, just to help you out. And you'll note the up arrows. When you install your chime, make sure the up arrows are pointing up. And then a close-up view of the screw terminals. So you can see our red wire, I landed it on the transformer terminal, and that white wire was landed on the front doorbell push button terminal. And we do not have a rear push button in this application. And again, here's a overall view of the electrical circuit. You got your step-down transformer from 120 volts coming in. It provides 16 volts coming out. You got your push button, and you have your chime. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.